Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the questions of RRB Group D previous year question paper, which was held on 1st September 2022 shift 1. Okay, in this video, we are going to some of questions of this shift paper. In next video, we will discuss some more questions on the same question paper. Okay, right. See the question, which of the following interchanges of numbers would make the given equation correct? Which of the following interchange of numbers? So here there are four options. So which of the following interchange of numbers will make the equation correct? See the option 1. If you see option 1, if you interchange 11 and 24, if interchange, whether the equation is correct or not, or if interchange 2, 5, equation is correct or not, 5, 25, 5 or 25, 24, 25. So which of the following interchanges of numbers will make the given equation correct? Right. So we will check by using option method. It is very somewhat easy. So what is the given equation? 25 divided by 5 into 2 plus 25. I am checking option 1. I am interchanging 11 and 24. So in the place of 11, I am changing 24. In the place of 24, I am interchanging the value 11. Whether this equation is correct or not. So 25 by 5, 5 into 2 plus 25 minus 24 is equal to 11. So 10 plus 25 minus 24 is equal to 11 or not. So 35 minus 24 is equal to 11. So 35 minus 24, 11 is equal to 11. Right. So option 1 is correct. What is our question? Which of the following interchange of numbers, will make the given equation correct? Okay. So option 1 itself correct. So if you interchange 11 and 24, the equation is correct. Right. So shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question is based on LCM and HCF. The product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is 48. The product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is 48. If the two numbers differ by 13, find the numbers. So product of LCM and HCF is 48. The two numbers is differ by 13. Then what are the two numbers? Okay. If you see the options, let us see the options. Option 1 is differ by 13. Yes, 16 minus 3, 13. Okay. Option 2, 24 minus 11, 13. Yes. Option 3, 17 minus 4, 13. Yes. Option 4, 25 minus 12, 13. Okay. So we cannot say by using option. Right. We know the one of the formula, the product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay. The product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. So what is the product is? The product of LCM and HCF is equal to 48. Okay, the product of LCM and HCF is equal to 48. Then the product of the two numbers is equal to 48. If you see the option, which option the product of two numbers will get 48? 16 threes 48. 16 threes 48. So what about remaining option? 24 into 11 we get more than 240. 17 fours, so more than 48. So only option 1 will satisfy. Okay, 16 threes. So if you consider these are the two numbers, yes, the product of two numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF. So 16 threes 48. Option 1 is correct. Right, next question. See the question. Rani stitches a gown in 3 hours, while Padma stitches an identical gown in 2 hours. Each of them work for 6 hours per day. If they have a bulk of order 52 such gowns to stitch, in how many days will they complete the task if they work on alternate days, starting with Rani? So the question is based on time and work. Okay, Rani stitches a gown in 3 hours. Okay, right. Rani stitches a gown in 3 hours, while Padma stitches an identical gown in 2 hours. Okay, right. Each of them works 6 hours. Okay, in a day they work 6 hours. So Rani stitches a gown in 3 hours. Rani work 6 hours per day. So in one day Rani stitches 2 gowns. Why? Because they work 6 hours. So they work 6 hours. So in 6 hours Rani can stitch 2 gowns. Okay. So Rani stitch a gown in 3 hours. She work 6 hours per day. So then she stitches 2 gowns in a day. So what about Padma? So Padma stitches same identical gown in 2 hours. So she can stitch how many gowns in a day according to question. So she can stitch for 6 hours. In 6 hours she can stitch 3 gowns. Okay, right. So Rani can stitch 2 gowns in a day. Padma can stitch 3 gowns in a day according to the question. Why? Because Rani can stitch a gown in 3 hours and she can work for 6 hours. So in 6 hours they can stitch 2 gowns. Okay. So similarly Padma can stitch identical gown in 2 hours. So she works 6 hours per day. In 6 hours they can stitch 3 gowns. So they get a bulk of 52 such gowns. Okay. So total work, we can consider it as total work. So 52. Okay. So 52 gowns order is there. So in how many days will they complete the task if they work together? Sorry, if they work alternative days. If they work alternative days, starting with Rani. Starting with Rani. Okay, see that in first day Rani will complete 2 gowns and next day Padma will complete 3 gowns. So in 2 days, they will complete 5 gowns. It means 5 units of work. Okay, in 2 days they will complete 5 units of work. We have total 52 units of work. Okay. So, in 2 days they will complete 5. Okay. So, how many days it require? Okay, see here, in 2 days they will complete 5 units of work. So, 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. Okay. So, 2 tens are 20. So, 5 tens are 50, 2 tens are 20. In 20 days, the 50 units of work will complete. In 20 days, 50 units of work will complete. So, for 2 days, they will complete 5 units work. In 20 days, they will complete 50 units of work. So, there are 2 more units of work is there here. So, 20 days, they will complete 50 units of work. In 21st day, who will work? So, in 21st day, Rani will work. Okay, right. In first day, Rani. In second day, Padma. Third day, Rani. Fourth day, Padma. Similarly, 21st day, Rani will work. Okay. So, 21st day, Rani will work. Rani will complete these 2 units of work. So, 21 days will take to complete the work. Okay. So, which option is there? Option 3 is there. So, simple logic, they will complete 5 units of work in 2 days. So, they have total 52 units of work. So, 5 tens are 50, 50 units of work, 2 tens are 20. So, 20 days will take to complete 50 units of work. So, we have 2 more units of work. So, 2 more units of work will complete on 21st day. Who will work on 21st day means Rani will work on 21st day. So, she will complete the 2 units of work on 21st day. So, total number of days required means 21 days. Okay, right. I hope you will understand. Right. See the question here. This question is based on ages. The sum of ages of Sarala and Kishore is 26 years. The sum of ages of Sarala and Kishore is 26 years. If 3 years ago, okay, if 3 years ago Kishore was 3/2 times as old as Sarala. So, Kishore was 3/2 times as old as Sarala. So, then the present age of Sarala. We need to find the present age of Sarala. So, let us take Sarala's and Kishore's age before 3 years. Okay. So, Kishore was 3/2 times means respective ratio of Kishore and Sarala 3 years ago means 3x by 2x. Okay. So, Kishore is 3/2 times of Sarala. Okay, right. So, this is the age of 3x is the age of Kishore 3 years before. 2x is the age of Sarala 2 years before. So, we are writing this equation by using this information. Kishore was 3/2 times of as old as Sarala 3 years ago. So, what is the present age of Sarala means present age of Kishore is 3x plus 3. Present age of Sarala is 2x plus 3. Okay. So, this is the present age of Sarala and Kishore. So, they given the information the sum of ages of Sarala and Kishore. So, sum of ages of Sarala and Kishore. So, this is the Kishore age and this is the Sarala age. So, this is the Kishore age, this is the Sarala age is equal to 26. So, 3x plus 2x 5x plus 6 is equal to 26. So, 5x is equal to 26 minus 6 20 x is equal to 20 by 5, 4. X is equal to 4. We need to find Sarala's present age. Okay, Sarala's present age. So, Sarala's present age is 2x plus 3. Sarala's present age is 2x plus 3. So, 2x plus 3 is equal to x is equal to, we get x is equal to 4. 2 fours in plus 3. So, 8 plus 3 nothing but 11 is the Sarala's present age. Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. So, I hope you will get an idea about how we calculated this question. Okay, right, next question. See the question, select the option that is related to the fifth number in the same way as fifth number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number, second number related to the first number, fourth number related to the third number. Okay, so what is the relation is there? So 5 is to 13 proportionate, 9 is to 69 proportionate, 13 is to, we need to find what will come in the question mark. Okay, so what is the logic is there? So see, is there any logic? Yes, 5 square minus 12. So 5 square minus 12 we get 25 minus 12 we get 13. So 5 is to 5 square minus 12 nothing but 5 is to 13. Next, 9 square minus 12. So 9 square 81 minus 12 we get 69. So second one, for this 9 is to 9 square minus 12, 9 is to 81 minus 12, 9 is to 69. Okay, so similarly 13 is to 13 square minus 12, 13 is to 13 square 169 minus 12, 13 is to 169 minus 12. So 169 minus 10, 159 minus 2, 157. 157. So I hope you will get the idea which logic is there in the question. So 157. So option 3 is correct. Okay, next question. So percentage of question. So it is a simple question. 18% of 200 is equal to x. What is mean? What is the value of x? 18% of 200. So 0 0 cancel. 18 2 is 36. So option 1 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right. If, so what is the question? The question is based on cost price, profit and loss, and it is based on percentages. If the manufacturer gains 12%, the wholesale dealer gains 15% and the retailer gains 20%, then the find of cost of production of a table, the retail price of which is 15,456. 15,456. This is the retail price of the table. So before that, what is happening? Manufacturer gains 12%, wholesaler dealer gains 15%, retailer gains 20%. After that, the table retail price is 15,456. We need to find cost of the production of table. Cost of production of a table. So we can use 112% of cost of table into 112% of into 20% into 15%. Okay, so it is take a lot of time. So by using options, we can simply give the correct option. So approximately we get 47% on cost price of production of a table. Approximately more than 47% is there. Okay, if you see the options, if we consider option 1 is correct, if we consider option 1 is correct, so I am writing 50%. So why? Because after adding 12% to the cost of production, it goes somewhat higher after 15%. So I am writing simply approximately I am increasing 50% on cost of table. So if we increase these to the 50%, we get the answer is more than 16,000, more than 16,000. So here we have 15,000. Option 1 is wrong. If we see option 3, here the cost price of a production of table is 15,000. If we add 50%, it goes 22,000 something. So this is also not correct. So here the retail price itself 15,000. Here the cost production is itself 20,000. So damn sure it is not. If we go with option 2, just add 50%. So 50% means approximately 15,000. So 100% answer is option 2 is correct. Okay, why? Because 15,000 something is there, we get 15,000. Okay, so by using approximately, no need to take large amount of time for this type of questions. Okay, right. Next question. If the diameter and the height of a cylinder are 12 centimeters, okay, and 10.5 centimeters respectively, then using pi is equal to 22/7, find the volume of a cylinder. So find the volume of a cylinder. Okay, right. So we need to find the volume of a cylinder. So diameter is given 12 centimeters, then radius is equal to, r is equal to 12 by 2, we get 6, radius is equal to 6. And what about height? Height given 10.5, height is given 10.5. So we need to find the volume of a cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is equal to pi into r square into h, pi into r square into h. So 22/7 r square, so 6 square into h 10.5. So 22/7 into 36 into 10.5 can be written as 105 by 10. 7 ones, 7, 15s, 2 5s, 2 11s, 5 ones, 5 3s. So 11 into 36 into 3, so 33 into 36. So 33 into 36. 33 into 30, we get 990. 33 into 30, we get 990. 33 into 6. So 33 into 6, we get 990. 99 plus into 2, we get 198. 198. So 8, 8, 11. So 1188 centimeter cube. Okay. Or you can directly write 33 square plus 33 into 3. So we get the value 1188. So option 3 is correct. So shall we move to the next question? Right. So find the LCM of 24, 42 and 56. Okay. So what is the LCM? Least common multiple. So for this we can, so I am giving the question for you. Just comment the answer in the comment section. Okay, right. See the question here. A, B, C, D, E, F and G are 7 kings sitting around a circular table facing center. Okay, so they were equidistant to one another. Okay, 7 kings facing towards center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So facing towards center, all are facing towards center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Only E was sitting between F and C. So only E was sitting between F and C. We get two possibilities is there. So like one is this possibility and other one is this possibility. Okay, right. A was thought to the left of G. So we can allot A whatever here. So I am writing A is here. A is thought to the left of G. So thought to the left means G is thought to the right of A. So 1, 1, 2, 3. So we can write G is here. So A is thought to the left of G. Okay, the given A was thought to the left of G. So here first left, second left, third left. Okay, right. Next, D was sitting between A and B. So D was sitting between A and B. Here also we get two possibilities. Here also we get two possibilities. D is sitting between A and B. Okay. G was sitting to the immediate left of C. So here G already is given. So G was sitting immediate left of C is right. Okay. Okay, right. So see here, for this first information, E is sitting between E and F. So if we write here F, so there is no possibility of writing E. E is here. So just write E and F here. So only one possibility. So E is sitting between E and F. If you see that D is sitting between A and B, so there is no no possibility of writing D is here. I am writing D here, and we can write B here. So this is the seating around a circular table of A, B, C, D, E, F. So what is our question? Which king was sitting immediate left of G? Immediate left of G means B is there. Option 2 is correct. So if you get any doubts of this question, just comment on comment box. I will give one more time explanation if required. I hope it is clear. Okay, right. P, Q, R, S, T and U are 6 siblings who passed their class 10th exam in different years 2001, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay. So 2001, 2003, 2005, 2007, 2010, 2012, but not necessarily in the same order. P paused in one of the years before S and after R. So, P has paused before S, after R. Okay. So, there may be chance of immediate P is immediate left of immediate preceding of S, or maybe chance of P is immediate after of R. Okay, maybe chance. So, P paused before S and after R. So, only Q paused before R. Okay, only Q paused before R means, so Q is on 2001, R is on 2003. Only Q paused before R. No other person is paused before R means, so Q, we can alert Q in the year 2001 or in the year 2003. Okay, T paused in the year immediately after S. Okay, so immediate after S, T is there. U paused in one of the year before P. Okay, so there may be no chance to allot here in the place of 2001, in the place of 2003. For U, we can write U is here. Only we have 6 siblings. So, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is T. Okay, right. So, S is immediate after, so T is immediate after S. Okay, U is before P. So, this is the arrangement we get. So, what is the question? Who passed their class 10th in the year 2007? So, in the 2007, P is passed. So, option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. Which of the following RHS of the equation? So, which of the following is RHS of the equation? What is the given equation? Sin square A by 1 minus cos A is equal to, we need to find what will come in the RHS side. Okay. So, we know sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos square A. Okay, 1 minus cos square A. So, when we also know that A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, so I am considering 1 square minus cos square A. So, 1 is equal to A square, cos square A is equal to considering as B square. So, 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 plus cos A, okay, into 1 minus cos A. So, 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So, I hope you will get, we know that sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Like this, we are writing 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So, sin square A by 1 minus cos A can be written as sin square A is equal to, so 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. So, 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So, 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A cancel, 1 plus cos A is answer for RHS side. So, which option is there? So, 1 plus cos A or cos A plus 1, nothing but okay. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question here. each classmate D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K are sitting in a row facing north. Okay, so how many? 8 classmates. Okay, 8 classmates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 classmates facing north. Okay, facing north. Facing north. J is at extreme end of the row. So we can write J is here. J is at extreme end of the row. Extreme right end of the row. D and I are immediate neighbors. So there are two possibilities. D and I, we can write like this. One chance is there. Or another possibility is I and D. D and I are immediate neighbors. There are only 2 classmates sitting between H and D. There are 2 classmates between H and D. We can write one possibility or another possibility. Okay, right. Only E sits between I and G. So only E sits between I and G. For this also we get 2 possibilities. Okay, right. K sits immediate left of D. Okay, K sits immediate left of D. So this possibility will cancel. Why? Because K sits immediate left of D. So we can write I sits immediate right of D. Okay, right. Okay, see here once again. J is at extreme end of row. D and I are immediate neighbors. Okay, there are 2 classmates sitting between H and D, right? There are 2 classmates sitting H and D. Only E sits between I and G. Okay, so for this we can write K, D, I, E, G. Okay, so this will cancel. Okay, right. Next, right. Okay, there is no possibility of writing for this. This will also cancel. We can write. So between H and D we have 2 persons. Right. How many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8th person is there. Okay. H we don't know here. K, D, I, E, G. Only one person value is pending there. Who is that person? So F is there. Okay, right. We can write F. What is the question? Who sits at second from the left end of the row? So second from the left end of row is this is. So F sits. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right. So these are the some questions of RRB Group D, a previous year question paper which was held on 1st September 2022. The remaining questions will upload in the next video. You can see the remaining questions in the next video. So thank you for watching and please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.